What's up guys, Jake Hutton from Fitness Culture. Today we're going to be going through one of my favorite training protocols. It's German volume training. This was made popular by Charles Poliquin, and we've had some of our best results with strength and really body composition using German volume training with our athletes in the app over the last 4 years. Joining me today is going to be our marketing guy, Brody. Brody, come on man, don't be scared of the camera. When you work for Fitness Culture, you have to work out. It's mandatory.
It's true.
So Brody didn't have any clothes. What'd I do? Got him some of our sweats, our shirt, and I said, hey, let's go do this, man. No excuses, you know what I'm saying? All right guys, so German volume training, traditionally you're gonna be picking 2 movements. You're gonna hit one movement, rest, hit the other movement, rest, and you're gonna go through that 10 times. And it's always 10 sets of 10. So the way that we're doing, the movements that we're gonna be doing today are gonna be a flat bench press, and we're gonna be pairing that with, I'm gonna be doing a seated horizontal row, and Brody's gonna be doing an incline dumbbell row just so we don't get in each other's way and we can stay on the clock together. Usually it's 90 seconds between each movement of rest. I like to cut that down a little bit. If you're someone that's doing a lot of CrossFit workouts, things like that, your conditioning's so good that you're probably gonna recover a little bit faster, and you can probably start cutting that closer to 1 minute. So today what we're gonna be doing is rest 1 minute in between each, and we'll be going back and forth between the movements. The tempo of the lift, that's gonna be a big thing today. We're gonna be doing a 4-0-1-0 tempo. And what that means is, so say on the bench press, the 4 is gonna be the eccentric. So we're gonna be controlling the weight for 4 count down. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the chest. The 0 is gonna be 0 pause at the chest. So no pause, just go straight up into it. And then the 1 is gonna be the amount of time that you're gonna be spent in the concentric, so pressing it off your chest. And then that last 0 is gonna be the amount of time spent at the top position in between reps. So it's just a 4-number tempo system that allows you to control the tempo on any lift. And so what we're gonna do today, we'll go 55%, we're gonna go 10 reps, and just keep going back and forth. If you ever die during this protocol, what you're gonna do is just rack it. So don't try to force reps, don't have a partner force you through stuff, don't go to failure. If you know you're not gonna get another rep, say you're at 7, your 7th set, you're getting, you're at your 7th rep, and you know you can't get another one, you're just gonna rack it, start that 1 minute of rest, and then move on to the next movement. So you're still gonna accumulate the volume. The goal though is gonna be to get your full 10 sets of 10, and then we can move it up 2.5 or 5% the next week, and then obviously try to build upon that every week for the entire training block. All right, another thing to pay attention to on this is trying to maintain that tempo the whole time. My tempo wasn't a 4 count, so I started getting tired, and when I took it back to the 4 count, that's why I died at 7. So the set before, I probably turned it into a 3 or 2 count at the end, and I realized that, made sure I kept that 4 count tempo, and I burned out at 7. Now that we're done with that, we're gonna be doing some accessory work. So here's what I like to do for the chest and back. We usually hit our arms on a different day for this training cycle, so we'll just finish off our chest and back. So what we're gonna do is pick a couple movements, do about 3 sets of 8 on a superset still, and then we'll probably pick one finisher today to finish it off. So something simple like a cable fly and maybe like a rear delt or something like that. So let's go. Now that we just did the bench press, we were stuck on a barbell and we did a horizontal row. Now we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna keep doing the chest. We're gonna keep working our chest because shoulders is on a different day. So what we're gonna do today is just an alternating dumbbell bench. So it's still gonna be pretty high volume. Well, not super high volume. We're gonna do 8 each arm because we're pretty tired right now. And what we're gonna be doing is neutral grip, alternating. So we're gonna start locked out. So we gotta stabilize at the top, and we're gonna alternate, staying locked out in between reps on each side. All right, so it's really gonna work stability in your shoulder, and it's gonna burn out our triceps. We're gonna be supersetting that with just a wide grip lat pull down today. So since we already did that horizontal row, now we're gonna be doing a vertical pull. So we're gonna go back to back on this one. So we'll go bench press, straight to the lat pull down, and then we're gonna rest for 90 seconds in between each set this time. what we're doing now, we're gonna be doing just 3 sets. We're gonna burn out just on some chest flies. So we'll probably do 15 to 20 reps. And then we're gonna turn around and just do a cable A fly. So that's just gonna hit our rear delts and our back. We're gonna bring it down here and try to squeeze for a second in the back and let it back through like this. So we'll go 15 to 20 reps on each one. One thing on the A fly, try to make sure that you're not overextended like this with your back. So try to keep your core tight, squeeze your glutes. And then one thing I try to do at the top, at the end of the motion, is try to basically think about squeezing my shoulder blades down to my butt crack and pull on my traps away from my ears when you squeeze at the bottom. So that wraps it up today for our German volume day. Honestly, we planned on just kind of giving you a little demo of German volume training, and then we were just kind of like, screw it, let's just finish the workout. So that's what we did. We're gonna put the whole workout on the video. Obviously, you just watched it. But if you wanna download it so you can take it to the gym and follow along with it and follow the rest time and stuff like that, we put a link in the description of the full workout, so you guys can check that out and download it. Also, Brody, the reason I brought him in for the closeout, he's a marketing expert, so he is good at Facebook ads, getting people leads. I mean, obviously email funnels, sales funnels, you know. So anyway, if you guys want to see some marketing content from Brody, leave us a comment and we'll try to start putting out some marketing content. I know a lot of people that follow us are personal trainers, gym owners, things like that. And Brody has some great, basically ideas and ways to get you guys new leads and new members. So if you guys want some content from Brody, I've been trying to talk him into doing it. Leave it in the comments. Maybe we can get him to start putting out some of this content. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.